up, man? We back. I don't know if y'all can see me. I don't even think I'm in frame right now, but hey, man, your boy 1K Swiss, Mr. 1 Thow Wow, man. We back again. First video was trash. If you ain't see that, man, I'm drop the link right here. You know, we're gonna come back, do it again, try to make something out of nothing, man. You know what time it is, man. Mr. 1 Thow Wow, man. Enough talking, let's get it.
Still got that chopper that'll fix your face. That Cali bud help me meditate. I ran it up, I think that's safe to say. I don't gotta rock no more, I'm out the way.
Long story short, man, last week we tried to do this and it ended up being a complete fail. We ain't get nothing done. So this time I just found out that it's actually a setting on my bike. It's called Wheelie control, torque control, and I had that on last time, but I don't know if that's gonna help us or not. We finna find out. Let's see. Let's get into it, man. Hey, yes sir, yes sir. We're gonna try this thing out, man. Right foot over the rear brake. Let's get it in. First attempt. Gotta get that bit just right. It's like I feel it wanting to go up, and then I let it go. I get nervous. What him so nervous about? Just bring it up one time, man. Fuck that, man. Let's go. Something. I'm gonna try this bit in second gear. Let's try that bit in second gear.
I spit that
Feels like that bit ain't doing nothing. When them birds go to chirping, nigga. When them birds go to chirping, nigga. I be on the floor, boy. See, that shit is crazy, dog. That is wicked. Still nothing. That bitch don't want to jump from it. See, I can't even tell if I'm not dropping that bit or what. It is, I don't even feel like I don't get it, bro, at all. I don't know if I'm just not going fast enough. My hand ain't hurting this week. I just gotta learn this bike, bro. It's so weird. And I got full shit on this time. I'm definitely not scared. I'm dropping it. I'm literally dropping it at high rev too. So see, it's like it's killing the rev and just what the hell is that? Oh, I got him out there. Oh, I got him out there. I don't even think I got that on camera. Okay, so I literally just gotta drop that bit. Okay, I just caught one down there. Hey, I caught one, but okay. Hey, that was kind of raw, I ain't gonna lie. See, I think my hand was still over the clutch just then. That's what be, I think that's what be throwing me off though with my wheelies, man. I don't think I'm actually getting that clutch drop. I'm getting the rails up, I ain't dropping it though. I gotta drop that thing and just, you know, hold on. So let's get it, let's try again, man. I got it up again. Hey, we getting little baby jumps, but you know, that's all I need right now, man. And I ain't even hitting the rear brake. I guess I'm just letting go of the throttle, so it's dropping back down. But I'm just baby popping it up. That felt good. I like that, man. Whew. I gotta get used to it, man. Just gonna keep popping the clutch. We're gonna try it a little bit longer, and then we're gonna take it in, man. We ain't trying to do everything in one day, man. We ain't trying to do it like that. Just trying to learn. Hold on. It's something. It's getting up there though. I'm just really getting the feel of that, like that bounce, you know what I'm saying? Cause your boy ain't used to it. So just getting the feel of that bounce, that's probably how we're gonna try to do ours for honestly the next month, you know what I'm saying? Just learn that clutch drop feel and just go from there, man. Man, drop down below how y'all feel. What y'all think I'm doing right, wrong? Y'all let me know, man. As y'all can see, we not on the street, man. We are so away from the street doing this, cause yeah, boy, I ain't no professional. Man, I'm trash for real. But yeah, man, I got that thing bouncing on them though. Y'all better stop playing with Lil Swizzy. But yeah, I'm trying to learn. I'm basically just putting that thing around 5 to 7 in the middle of there, and I'm just throwing it up from where it is. I'm feeling him. Yeah, I'm starting to get the little hang of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna keep doing it like that. That's all I'm gonna do. Hey, yes sir. We throwing her out there. India, baby, I love you. I love you, India. But yeah, this all I know, man. I ain't no professional. I'm trash. I'm very trash. And I'm just practicing, man. Nobody won't show you, boy, so we're gonna get out here and learn it. You feel me? This day 2 of our wheelie training, you know, nothing. Alright, so it's like you basically gotta like fill them up. See, when I get good at it for real, I'll be able to just throw it out there. You know, right now I ain't that good like that, so I'm just like premeditating the, you know, it's nothing, I don't know. I feel like with me, y'all might think different, but with me, I don't think there's nothing wrong with just trying to learn that impact of coming up instead of just trying to do it all at once. I'm trying to just learn how that impact feels, you know what I'm saying, and just throw it up there. I'm gonna do it one more time, let's see. Told me not the wheelie on a 18, not the stunt on a 18. But bro, I don't got another bike, so what I'm gonna do it on? Come on, man, get right. I do need a stunt cage though, so if any of y'all out there watching this video, man, y'all make stunt cages or custom anything, man, let me know, man. I need it, you know. So basically what I'm doing is I'm keeping these two here, using these two, pulling the clutch in and dropping, just literally letting it go. All right, one more time. Nothing. But yeah, man, hey, that's all I need for the day. We in one piece. We made it in one piece, my boy. So, oh yeah, I also seen another video on how to do burnouts too. So I'ma see if I can do one real quick before we get up out of here. I might still be trash at that. So they say you gotta stand up though. Am I doing it?
What you cooking?
Hey man, we out here, man. Yeah, sir.
Trouble boy, always in motherfucking trouble boy. I came out the bottom, bet the heights, that shit a jungle boy. Hold your ass up like we done with a lingerie.